Okay, we are going to learn how to use Elementor. I have Elementor Pro, the Pro version, installed here on my WordPress testing site. So if we create a new, this is WordPress, if we create a new page by going Page, Add New, what we're going to do is we're going to edit with Elementor. It's very simple. It opens up. And what we're going to look for is this plus sign. And we're going to add a new section. And right there we have a choice of different types of sections. The section is the basic structural unit of an Elementor layout. So you can have a 2-column layout, a 3-column layout. Let's just we'll go with a 2-column layout. You can see it's nice and clear. This blue box is a section. Here's a column. It's this gray box indicated in the corner. And what we're going to do is click on this side panel. This is the admin side panel, which has all the details about the section. But we're going to just move ahead and click this little grid in the upper right corner, which shows us some of the Elementor modules that we can use in our layout. One of the most basic ones is text, and we just drag and drop. So here's the text editor. When it turns blue, we release it, and there's some sample text. There you go, you're all set. Now, let's try another basic module, which is a picture. Here we see image. So again, we're going to drag and drop, and there's a place for a picture. In order to put a picture in there, we're going to click here. It says choose image. And we're going to look in our media library, and let's pick this picture here and insert it. There it is, pretty simple. So what we're looking at, if we publish this, and then we have a look, is we see that here's the page. It's some text in the left column and a picture in the right column. So when we go back to the working end of it, we could say, well, the picture's kind of big. Let's make it smaller. Let's make it flush left. See how all the controls are right here at your disposal. That looks pretty good, and we're going to update it. Now let's go over and click this text module. And you'll notice that at the top of each one of these admin sidebars, this whole panel here, you have the content itself, and then you have something called style. So here we can say, let's change the text color. We have some default colors that we've saved to a blue. Look at how easy that is. Let's change the font size. So under typography, we click the pencil, and we can say, let's make it, drag this thing here and make it a bigger font, 23 pixels. And let's make it bold. There you go. And then we'll update that. You'll notice that the other tab, the preview tab, if we go preview, will automatically update. There it is. This Elementor is the page title. We didn't really give it a title. But if we get out of here and we say, let's go back and exit to the dashboard, we'll notice that that's the title. Let's change it to Elementor Lesson. Let's update it, and let's preview it. And that's what the page looks like. That's pretty much Elementor in a nutshell.